Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off profile view history on TikTok. You know this feature where people come to your profile and you can see who look at your profile and then you can go and see other people's profile and then they're gonna know about that. Let me show you how you can actually turn this off. Click on TikTok, click on the lower right corner on your profile icon. Then I want you to hit the three straight lines on the top right, okay? Then go ahead and click on settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to click on privacy. Here where the magic happens. I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and I want you to click on profile views, second to the last. Now, if you turn this off, people will not get notified when you view their profile. This is the upside. The downside is that when you go on your own profile, you're not gonna see, for example, if I come to my profile over here, boom, simply disappear. You see the two footsteps on the top right? They no longer counter. Simply because you see that it's no longer on. Essentially, this is keeping the track of the last 30 days people who viewed your profile. This is good if you wanna see who is visiting your profile, but it's bad because when you visit someone else's profile and they have this function on, they're gonna get notified that you visit their profile. It's kinda a spy game over here. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.